Welcome back to Jeep Mudmaster, your one-stop destination for rugged rides, epic adventures, and life on the move. If van life speaks to your soul, and you're always chasing that next horizon, you're in for a treat today. We're about to explore a true masterpiece on wheels, the Toyota Compartment Motorhome, drenched in vibrant glossy red, and armed with a rugged long body and 4x4 wheels. Whether you're climbing mountains, crossing deserts, or chasing sunsets, this van is your ultimate travel partner. Stick around because this isn't just a tour, it's your next obsession. Exterior front view. Feast your eyes on the powerful front view of the Toyota camper van, parked proudly at the official Toyota showroom. The glossy red bodywork beams under the light, showcasing precision design and bold presence. At the center of the sleek grille, the iconic Toyota logo stands tall, symbolizing reliability and engineering excellence. Oversized headlamps, a muscular hood, and strong curves complete this commanding look. One glance at this front, and you know this isn't just a camper van. It's a road-dominated machine built for real adventures. Top side view. Let's rise up to the rooftop, where things get seriously smart. The top side view of this Toyota camper van reveals a full suite of features for off-grid freedom. Up here, we've got integrated solar panels, continuously powering your gadgets, lights, and essentials with green energy. You'll also spot a sleek antenna for boosted connectivity, so you're never out of touch. And tucked neatly in the rear section is a low-profile rooftop air conditioner, keeping your interior chill no matter where you park. This is your command base, efficient, clean, and always ready to roam. Backside view, swinging around to the back of the camper, and it only gets better. Right here, mounted cleanly and securely, is an extra tire, a must-have for serious overlanders. Just below that, a cycle carrier is smartly fixed, ready to haul your mountain bike or e-scooter for local exploring. The rear doors are sturdy, weather-sealed, and finished in that gorgeous glossy red coat that wraps around the entire body. This van doesn't just move. It carries your gear, protects your ride, and ensures your adventure never hits a dead end. Side view. Now let's check out the side profile. And this is where camping comfort really shines. Along the passenger side, a fully retractable tent awning extends out to create your personal shaded lounge area. It's perfect for setting up chairs, grilling out, or just kicking back with a view of the wild. Add in some fairy lights, a foldable table, and boom, you've got a campsite that rivals any five-star resort. Wherever you stop, this Toyota camper turns it into a destination. This isn't just a van. It's an experience on wheels. Driving compartment. Let's step into the driving compartment, the nerve center of this mobile machine. Toyota's attention to detail is crystal clear here. 2 LED displays sit proudly on the dash, one for navigation and media, and the other showing a live rear camera feed for smooth parking and maneuvering. The leather-wrapped seats offer maximum comfort, and the dashboard layout is all about ease and control. A wide panoramic windshield gives you clear views of every road ahead. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or wide open highways, this cockpit is built to lead. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driver's seat is where the transformation magic happens. Welcome to the sitting and sleeping zone, your mobile living room by day, your comfy bedroom by night. This plush sofa setup is ideal for relaxing, working, or eating. But when night falls, it converts into a full-size bed that sleeps 2 adults. It's got cushioning that hugs you, smart overhead storage, and soft ambient lighting to set the vibe. It's efficient, elegant, and designed for maximum comfort. Proof that small spaces can still be incredibly cozy. Kitchen. Let's move to the heart of every home. The kitchen. And yes, even on wheels, Toyota gets it right. This compact kitchen packs serious punch. You'll find a 2-burner gas stove, mini stainless steel sink, and a fridge that's perfect for perishables and drinks. Upper and lower storage cabinets keep your utensils and dry goods neatly tucked away. There's even a compact prep space for slicing up meals or fixing your morning brew. Whether it's grilled cheese at the canyon or pasta in the pines, this kitchen brings a flavor. Washroom. And yes, there's a private washroom tucked cleverly inside this camper van. Though compact, it's got everything you need: a compact toilet, foldable sink, and a mini shower head, all designed with intelligent space management. Wall hooks, storage shelves, and even a skylight keep the area practical and fresh. The waterproof door keeps splashes where they belong, and high-quality materials ensure it feels far from basic. Whether you're parked in the woods or on the roadside, this washroom proves that comfort doesn't have to be compromised. And that wraps up the full tour of the Toyota Compartment Motorhome in stunning, vibrant, glossy red. From its rugged long body, 4x4 wheels, and smart interior features to its off-grid tech and creature comforts, this van is built for serious adventure. And the best part? It's all yours for just $86,000. A steal for this level of freedom, power, and design. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And you know the drill. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you next time on Jeep Mudmaster. Stay wild, road warriors.